Welcome to the Wedding Budget Planner full tutorial video. First off, I just want to start by saying congratulations on your new engagement. It's certainly an exciting time in your life and you have a lot of happy planning ahead of you. So we'll dive into the spreadsheet. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to go into creating your budget for each of the different expense categories included. So I'll enter in some random numbers for each of these, and I wouldn't pay too much attention to the actual dollar amounts included here. And as you're doing that, you'll notice that there's two things auto-populating. It's the remaining budget over here. Since we haven't actually entered in any actual expenses, our remaining budget is going to match that total initial budget we created. And then down here, you're going to see that visual representation to show you your budget remaining in each of the categories compared with your actual expenses, which are all currently showing as 0. So throughout the year, you're going to enter in your total expenses, your total actual expenses in each of the categories, and then the subcategories within those. And you're going to divide that out amongst the bride and the groom if you so choose. And as you're entering in those, you'll see a couple of different things that are automatically updating for you. One is that category total for the groom as well as the bride. And you'll see the total expenses for that category with the bride and groom combined. And then you can see your remaining budget. So I have a $1,000 initial budget. I spent $800, so I have $200 left to spend on the engagement party. And to enter a couple more of these categories down below, just to give you a little bit more of a visual feel. We can see now those other budgets are continuing to update, which is great. And then we also have that visual representation. So we can see at a quick glance, how are we performing against our planned budget? So the planned budget, again, is the white bars, and then the actual expenses is those pink bars. And I'll scroll down just so you can see all the different expense categories and then those subcategories within each of those. These are all included in the software, so you don't have to think of those on your own. Those are already taken care of for you. Thank you again for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions.